This is the new Bulkhead Generation 2. I would like to show you how to exchange the light source and driver so that you can upgrade your bulkhead or extend its life. First step is to take off the ring cover. There is a screw on the side. We open it. Just take off the ring, then open the screws inside. If you want to exchange the light source, you simply disconnect the clip. For the driver, we need to open 2 screws, and we need to remove these cables by push buttons. Then we install the new one. Just screw it in place. We place the cables in. Let's install the new light source. We just clip it in. Then close the diffuser. Close the screws. Lastly, put the ring on. Close the last screw. And we are done. It is also really easy to find your new driver and light source. Scan the QR code inside the luminaire to access the spare part information. We will place the link to the product technical information below. Don't forget to check it out.